This 2021 Nexus Wraith 33W is a Super C RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Nexus is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features a chocolate, Pebble, linen interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, rear bedroom. This 2021 Nexus Wraith 33W is built on an international chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.